What's up, guys? A few days ago, I was having issues with my Apple Pencil right after updating to iOS 12.2, and I couldn't find a fix because not the pencil wasn't working. But I just realized what I was doing wrong was I had to have Bluetooth turned on, and where it says Apple Pencil, it has to say connected, and apparently it was saying not connected before. That's why the pencil wasn't working. But I didn't really realize that at the time. So make sure you have that connected Bluetooth turned on. And where it says Apple Pencil, where it says My Devices, make sure it says connected. And once it says connected, put the pencil back on the magnet. And once it's connected, and the pencil should be working right after that. And that's how you fix the issue. So I hope this helped you guys and whoever is having issues with this. All right, peace.